If you're watching this video right now, it's likely because your bathroom vent looks something like this. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to clean it depending on how much time you have and depending on how dirty it is. The first way that you can do it is with something just like as simple as a pipe cleaner. Getting it in between these vents here to pull it out can do wonders just by doing that. Very simple to do. These are highly inexpensive, super cheap, and it cleans out the majority of the grit, grime, and dust that is blocking your vent. The second topical way without pulling this down would be to use a vacuum cleaner, something like this, a dust buster, Black & Decker, one of the handheld ones to vacuum this out. You want to use the bristles because that'll break anything loose if you've got one. This does have a max setting, so you can put it on that and we can vacuum this up pretty well. So let's try this. Now the third and more comprehensive way of cleaning this involves taking some piece of this casing down. Depending on how yours operates, sometimes these just are spring loaded and you can pull the whole thing down. This one has a screw in it through the middle, but I do want to take this piece off. I have a plastic piece. This is actually for automobiles, but you want to use something that's not going to crack the casing in any way. This, as you can see, has some little clips that will hold it together.
And now we're just going to start by cleaning it up with vacuuming the insects and the debris that is trapped in there, as well as using some soap and water to wash the light cover. And we'll vacuum all of the dust up first before washing the cover, simply because if you've ever gotten that much dust wet, it just becomes clumpy and even more of a pain to actually clean. So try to get it all before letting it hit the water. This particular unit, to get the entire fan down, just unscrews one singular cap there in the middle and the entire casing comes down.
You can unplug it right here to work with it, and we'll do that now.
Just some Dawn dish soap or Lysol works really well. Even just soap and washing it off with a paper towel can do wonders.
All right, I didn't realize my camera stopped rolling, but as you can see, I started wiping this down, wiping the cords. It's pretty dirty in here. So try to get in between cracks and crevices. I put a little bit of cleaner on the paper towel just so that the dust would have something to adhere to, but not a lot. Some Lysol spray cleaner, nothing fancy.
So now all we need to do is vacuum this up and reassemble it. Should be good to go.
I switched the bristles here because this one is more conducive for getting around these smaller components here that are making it a little bit difficult to vacuum. But this is pretty much it. After this, we're going to put the electrical cord back in, screw the light bulb back in, put in the cap to secure the casing back, and you're done. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and I always look forward to being a resource.